How to change the name of your iPhone. If you want to change the name of your iPhone, here's how to do it. First, open the Settings app and scroll down until you find General. Tap on it, then select About at the very top. Here you'll see the Name section. Tap on it, and you can rename your iPhone to anything you like. For example, let's change it to Trevor Nace. By default, your iPhone's name might just be iPhone, which is pretty generic. You might want to personalize it with something recognizable. Once you've entered the new name, tap Done to save the change. Now, let's go back and check how this affects other settings. If you go to Bluetooth, you'll see that your iPhone is now discoverable as Trevor Nace, the name we just set. This is the name that will appear when connecting to Bluetooth devices or when someone tries to AirDrop files to you. Keep in mind that this is different from the name associated with your Apple ID. If you go back to the main settings page, tap on your Apple ID at the top, then select Personal Info, you'll see the name linked to your Apple account. You can edit that separately if needed. Just remember, the name you set for your iPhone, like Trevor's iPhone, is distinct from the name in your Apple account. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. It really helps me out. Thanks.